Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday, grinding Monday. Real quick, just want to let you guys know about a few good deals that we have that's currently available. We have a land deal for $9K in Conley, Georgia, right off Golfcrest Road, which is a good deal. Great investment opportunity at such a cheap price. Also, we have a property in Marietta for $130K or best offer. We also have one in Stone Mountain that we just picked up for $125K. So go check out our website. Also, we have another one on Jonesboro Road. That's a teardown, and that one is for $29K or best offer. So check out our website. I'll include a link on this video. Also, if you're on our email list, you should have received an email. If not, definitely get at me. Leave a comment or what have you, or inbox me, whatever the case may be. Get at me. Get me your email address so I can add you to our list so you can take advantage of these great deals. I mean, they're not going to be around long, guys. I can tell you that now. So get at me, Rd Marietta, aka Mr. ATL Wholesaler. Catch you in the next video.